Welcome back to the channel. Today, replacing an outer turn signal bulb on the front of this vehicle, BMW X6. These are a very special bulb. You can't find them at your local port store. So they have this weird base on them. I'm going to leave the listing, the link to the listing, down in the description. I got this as a pair off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and change this bulb out. Alright, so this bulb sits way back inside there. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hand right here and reach in there and grab it, and it just untwists is all. So and this is why I'm changing it. Someone had replaced it at one time with an LED bulb, which typically I don't care about, whether or not there's LED bulbs, but there's only one LED bulb on the passenger side and a standard incandescent, the OEM one, on the driver's side. And as we know, these European vehicles, they don't like to have shit messed up like that. So we're gonna go ahead. It's a two-piece system. You got the socket itself and the bulb. Set the bulb in here, and then you turn it, it locks into place. So we're going to go ahead and insert this back in there, and we'll make sure it works. Alright, so the bulb we replaced is this corner bulb right here. So I do have the new bulb there, and as you could see on the driver's side, it has an incandescent bulb too. So let's go ahead and see if they work. Alright, driver's side works as it should. Passenger side works as it should. So again, it took like 5 minutes. Reach your hand in there. It's pretty far in there, but it's easier to reach through that little porthole and just turn it out. Turn as far as you can, lefty loosey, righty tighty kind of deal. And then just give it a wiggle. It'll come right out. Snap the bulb in place, get rid of either your defective one or somebody doing something like this, and test it, make sure it works. So quick and easy. Figured I'd show you guys. This came again as a pair for I think it was like $23 for the pair. I wasn't able to find them locally. They had them through Amazon. 2 days later, here they are, job completed. So again, I'll leave a link to the Amazon ad that I bought. These will work on an X5 or X6. Potentially other BMWs that have the same setup, but definitely an X5 or X6. Again, like today's video, subscribe to the channel, come back for more do-it-yourself tips.